Good morning, everyone, and welcome to your podcast Discuss. Today, we are going to discuss the use of artificial intelligence or AI on campus. Your of guest speaker today is Aditya. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks you for inviting me. I am happy to be here.
First of all, could you explain what AI is and why it has become popular among university students?
Certainly, AI is technology that can prompt text which normally require human intelligence, such and reading, translating, and analyzing data in requires. Most students have used AI tools to support their learning activities.
In your opening, should AI be allowed in academic activities?
Yes, I believe AI should be our and as learning assist, but is how not replied student critical taking according to several research activities. AI and improve productive and help students understand difficult topics more quickly.
That sounds useful. However, many lecturers worry about academic dishonesty. What do you think about that?
I understand their concern. Some students as AI to complete assignment with who understanding the material. This habit can recruit creative and critical thinking skill.
What you mean explaining how university can prevent that problem?
Not at all university should create clear regulation. Students must use AI only to support learning, not to replace their own work.
Can you provide evidence from academic sources?
Yes, several students have found that AI improve learning efficiency when students use in reliability. However, receivers have also worried that excessive dependence of AI might recruit problem-solving abilities.
May I ask another question? Have a student already become dependent on AI?
Some students have become too dependent on it. They sometimes prefer coming and race instead of understanding concepts.
Could you please give advice to students?
Similarly, students should use AI wisely. They need to develop their own skill when using technology as a supporting tool.
That's a very balanced opinion. Before we finish, do you have any final talk?
Yes, AI improve technology which can improve education if it is used ethically and responsibility.
Thank you very much for sharing your ideas today. See you.
You're welcome. It was a pleasure to join this discussion. Hello everyone and come back to our podcast. Today topic why university student learn English or speak is Mulyandia. Thank you for coming. Why is English important for university student?
English is important because many books, journals, research, articles are written in English. Students who understand English can access more knowledge than those who do not.
How does English help students in higher education.
English helps students read international journals and accompanied with research from diverse countries. It is also useful present and academic rating.
What about future careers?
Many companies require employees to speak English. Graduates who can communicate in English usually have more job opportunities and high salaries.
Could you explain the role of English in technology?
Certainly, most software application programming and technical manual use English. Students who study engineering of information technology need English to understand modern technology.
What do you mean giving some suggestion for improving English skill?
Not at all. Students should practice speaking every day. They can watch English videos, read articles, and listen podcasts.
Could you please give some practical tips?
Yes, first, learning new vocabulary every day. Next, practice speak with my friend that try reading academic article in English. Finally, use English in daily communication whenever possible.
Some students are afraid of making mistakes. What would you say to them?
Making mistakes is a natural part of learning. I have studied English for several years and I still continue learning today.
That's inspiring. By the way, in apologies for interfering learning.
No problem at all.
Do you think English will become even more important in the future?
Absolutely, and as technology continue to develop and globalization increase, English will become even more essential for community and professional development.
Thank you for available opinions.
You are welcome. Thank you for inviting me to the podcast discuss. Thank you. See you.